Balancing ambition and well-being in remote tech roles.
Remote tech work offers exciting opportunities for career growth, yet the lack of physical boundaries between work and home can make it hard to stay fulfilled and maintain balance. Finding effective ways to manage both professional goals and personal well-being is crucial for long-term success and satisfaction in this dynamic environment.
Setting clear boundaries for work and life.
Establishing distinct work hours and a dedicated workspace helps prevent professional tasks from spilling into personal time. Communicate these boundaries clearly with colleagues and family. By creating routines and respecting your own time, you can avoid burnout and free yourself to unwind, pursue hobbies, or connect with loved ones. Key ingredients for overall well-being.
Strategic planning for career development.
Remote tech professionals should set specific career goals and regularly evaluate progress. Take advantage of online learning, mentorship, and skill-building resources. Proactively seeking challenging projects and networking virtually can help you stay visible and engaged, fostering growth while ensuring you're prepared for future opportunities within your field.
Prioritizing health and personal fulfillment.
Invest time in activities that nurture both your body and mind, like regular exercise, healthy meals, and meaningful social connections. Schedule short breaks during the workday to reduce stress and maintain focus. Remember, career success is most rewarding when paired with personal fulfillment and a lifestyle that supports your overall well-being.
Embracing flexibility and open communication.
Leverage the flexibility remote work provides by adjusting your schedule to your most productive hours. Maintain open communication with your team about workloads and personal needs. This transparency helps set realistic expectations, builds trust, and contributes to a harmonious balance between career progression and personal happiness.